Hello. In this video, you will learn how to customize the foreground and background color of closed captions in Storyline 360. Here, you can see closed captions color. Now, we are going to customize this colors. To customize the closed captions, click Player in the toolbar. Next, click Colors and Effects in the Player Properties window. Now, at the bottom you will see closed captions, using which you can customize the foreground and background color of your closed captions. Then click the color swatches to choose any color that fit your project's design or accessibility needs. We can also increase the font size. Now click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized the foreground and background color of closed captions. Thank you for watching.